Good morning, guys. It's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogecoin. So nothing has really changed from our last week's video with Dogecoin. As you can see, we are still over the 3-2, which means that we are still macro bullish. In terms of the in terms of support, we are still actually holding on to support at 15 cents. Once that breaks, then I'd say around 12 cents would be the next area of support. However, we are maintaining this uptrend. And I mean, keep in mind a little bit of hopium. Last time we moved down 64% before we pumped around 500%. Now this time we did go down 73%. So I'm not saying it's going to necessarily go up 500%, but 500% will put us at an all-time high over the previous high at 74 cents. And you'd be validating this uptrend, making higher highs. So not necessarily, it doesn't have to go to that point, but just keep in mind. Last time we did put a low, we did consolidate, and then we made a higher high. Now in the shorter time frame, just keep in mind we do have resistance at 17 to 21 cents, like we talked about last week. Nothing's bullish. It could come up here and still get rejected and validate this downtrend. Okay. And then once that breaks, 29 cents would be in play. And then once that breaks, then we could start looking at the macro targets on the upside. But we have a lot of resistance going up, and there are a lot of points where it could come back up to, still get rejected, make a lower high, validate a downtrend, and then go down. So a lot of areas that we need to break. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.